Welcome back to another episode of Hip Hop Breakdown. Guys, today I got Rochelle helping out with me. We got 2 8 counts. Relatively simple, but we're going to break it down for you. Let's watch the video tempo first, and then we will break it down. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. High five right here. Boom. All right, cool. All right. So, guys, once again, my name's Ceech. I post this type of video every week, almost every day. But hit the like button. This is the type of video that's going to help you. It helps out the channel more than you know. And also consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. I do appreciate all those that do have subscribed already. And you're continuing to support the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, having said that, let's get right into it, right? So the first 8 count. This move, right? This move, man, you guys could see it in Bobby Brown. Every little step I take, they do this video. Also, or they do this move. Also, you could also check it out. Vanilla Ice, Ice Baby. Okay, they do this move. This is a really, to me, this is one of those fundamental hip-hop moves, man. You got to know how to do this bounce. Now, here we go. First 8 count. We're going to watch this in slow-mo. Check it out. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, having break that down, I wanted you to watch the leg. Notice how the knee bends. Knee bends, which means the hip, okay? The hip drops on the down and then come up on the end, okay? Let's watch this one more time. Here we go. We have 1, right on the 1. Notice the knees are bent, right? 1 and. So this is important. You got to come out on the end. Right on the 2. Boom. I got to bend also on the 2. Guys, I can't tell you enough. So many times people don't bend on the 2, okay? You got to bend on the 2. And 3 and 4 and 5. I'm going to stop at the 5 because now this is the part where we're going to spin, okay? Let me talk about the 5. So one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch it again. And the arms, we're gonna go to arms. What's the arm doing? It's almost like blocking. Here we go. I'm gonna pull up on the 1. Right on the 1, you see how the elbow comes out. You bring the wrist up. 1. And on the end, your arms getting down, right? Drop it down. 1 and 2. 2. Great job right here. Elbows up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 5, right on the 5 right here. Okay, so moving forward, guys. On the 5, the pressure, the weight is on, this is the right foot, okay? And what I'm doing is I'm twisting. So right when I jump, 5, this is 6 and 7. Watch, 6 and 7. Right on the 7, I land with my feet out. Let's rewind back real quick. Let's check out the 6 and 7. What I did with my students, though, is instead of doing the spin, just jump in the air. Just jump straight up and down without spinning. Once you get the timing better, then you could do the spin. We're going to move right into spin right now. So it's 6 right here. You see how, like, I want you to try to lay on the ball of your feet instead of being flat. It's a lot easier if you lay on the ball of your feet. That's the 6 and, right, on the end. And right on the 7, both leg comes down. And then jump up on the 8, and I give a clap on the 8. All right? So let's watch that one more time. So we got 5, ready to spin. 6 and 7, jump up on 8. Good. All right. So that part should be okay. If it's not, go ahead and rewind it. I'm going to go ahead and check out the timestamp here. You could go rewind it back and practice that as much as possible. Now, moving forward to the next part. This is like a grapevine. Double time. So check it out. 1 and 2 and 3. We stop right at the 3. Get ready to slide on the 4. Slide on the 4. Okay, that was a little abrupt. Let's try it again one more time. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, let's stop right at the 4 one more time. We're not really focusing on the arm. The arm is actually just there for counterbalance. Really focus on stepping forward and back and forward and slide. 1, right on the 1. Notice how when I step, you see I'm pivoting on my right foot. So the left foot cross to the right side. 1 and. That's behind. 2. 2 is the left foot go behind. 2 and 3. Round 3, I'm crossing. Now, for the sake of this video, Rashad and I didn't travel that much, but usually when we're doing it, we would be traveling a lot. And if we actually did what we normally would do, Rashad would be out of the camera. I would be on the other side of the frame. So anyways, we made this travel just a little bit smaller so we could be in frame. Okay, now slide on the 4. Slide on the 4. Then 5 and 6. This part is really important, guys. You want to keep your right knee bent. This is really nice right here. If you lock it up, if you stand straight up, it's really hard to maintain that balance. Maybe your balance is really good, but this is a tip for you guys. To get better balance, bend your knee. Okay. All right, here we go. 5 and 6. Now, and 7, look up and down. And 7 right there. And then and 8, just out in. And 8. Boom. And that is it, everybody. Let's check this out one more time. Halftime, all the way from the top. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6 and 7 up on 8. Then we got 1 and 2 and 3. Slide on 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Guys, that is it. What I want to do right now, if you want to check out the entire class, here's the entire class doing this tempo. All right. So you're going to see, and again, this is the first time they learn it. So if you do it with us, you'll be just like us. All right, guys, have fun with it. Thank you for joining me. Practice as much as you can. Hit me on the comments down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns. And I will see you in the next one. Peace, and I'm out.